Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how you can automatically update Google Sheets using GoHighLevel workflows. So let's say you are capturing form data or capturing any kind of data or processing any kind of data in GoHighLevel, and based on a certain trigger or event, you want to update one of your Google Sheets. So that's really easy to do. And in this video, I'm not using any Zapier. So this is whatever I'm doing using GoHighLevel premium triggers and actions. So this is a premium service and you have to pay per execution. I think you have to pay 1 cent if you're not on an unlimited plan, which is $10 a month. If you're not on that plan, you have to pay for each execution 1 cent. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. So we will go to automation. Let me go to one of my folders, create the workflow, and let's say update Google Sheet. So the use case is, in this case, really simple. You can think of your own use case and implement it that way accordingly. But for mine, I will just see if a form is submitted, and I will see the form is contact form. So my idea is whenever the contact form is submitted, I want to update the Google Sheets, one of my Google Sheets, right? So I'll just do Google Sheets. Now, the first time you're doing it, it may ask you to add your Google account. So if you have it connected in your settings and integrations, where you connect all the Google and Facebook and Stripe and all that stuff in integrations, if you have it connected, then it will ask you. I have not connected any of my Google accounts, so I'll just hit connect. It will take me to the settings and integrations page, and now it will ask me to sign in with Google. So I'll just sign in with Google. That will connect my Google account, and it will fetch all the Google Sheets under that profile, under that Google account. So let me just save. And I will go again with the Google Sheets. This time it didn't ask me to connect account because it's already connected. Now, here are a few actions because this is a premium action and it gives you a few capabilities, some of which are create spreadsheet row, create multiple spreadsheet rows, lookup spreadsheet rows. So lookup is another action that we will talk about maybe in another video because it's a complicated action, and we will just go with create spreadsheet row. So every time there is every time there's an entry, basically a form submit, we will just select the Google account we connected, and then the drive is my drive, and then select the spreadsheet. So if we don't have the spreadsheet created, let me just create one real quick. So here you can see I have just created this Google Sheet under that Google Drive I have connected here. So I'll just select it again and then go my drive, and then it will give me that contact form submits. So I'll just select that, and then the worksheet is sheet 1. So this is the sheet, and then this is the worksheet, right? So as you can see, I have connected it here, and starting column will be first name. So let's talk about the sheet. We have 4 columns, right? So we have first name, we have last name, and we have got email. Last one is phone number. So we want to tell GoHighLevel which columns to update, starting which one, ending with which one. So we'll just say starting with first name and ending with phone number, and then insert values. So now we need to insert the values. So for first name, it will be definitely contact.firstname, and then the last name. So these are the dynamic values, the custom fields we are putting. Whenever the form is submitted, that data will follow through, and then it will be sent through these custom values on the spreadsheet, and it will be updated that way. So for email, it will be email. For phone number, that's the phone. Similarly, if you have any custom fields on your form, you can just create columns for those custom fields. Like if you had a custom field called what service do you need? If you need something like that and you have that custom field created, you could just easily go and sort this stuff. It will definitely give you that column as well because you've updated it, and then you'll just map that custom value with that column. And once you're done, just hit save. And now whenever that contact form is submitted, we will just send that data through GoHighLevel workflows automatically through Google Sheets. So let's do a test. So as you can see, I just did a test on the form, and it took my details and put it here because the phone number didn't update it because I didn't put it. So if I go to this workflow, update Google Sheet, you can see in execution logs, it put my information, and then it created the spreadsheet row according to that GoHighLevel action that I just created here in this workflow. So that's how you update Google Sheets using GoHighLevel workflows automatically. So hit subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.